I'm Corporal Alejandro Walker, and I'm an instructor here at the DPS Academy down in Southern Command. Today is the beginning of Academy Class 94. We call it Kickoff Day or Launch Day. Today is their introduction to the Department of Public Safety Police Academy. What we want to accomplish today is to just give them an introduction as to what it's going to be like for the next 30 weeks of being here at the Academy. A lot of them have never been under any sort of stress, and so our goal for today on day one is to create a stressful environment to kind of mimic what they're going to encounter when they're out there on the road or out there going into offenders' houses if they're parole and probation officers. So that's what we tried to do today, and our goal for today is to create that stressful environment, with yelling and with a lot of tasks for them to do in a small amount of time to do it in. And again, just to give them a little idea of the stresses that they're going to encounter when they're out there on the road, working the road. I have a passion for this job, and I love doing what I do, and I do it, with the thought that, we're contributing to the overall success of the department and turning these people that want to be police officers into police officers, so that way we can put them out there and protect the public and work for the community and make the community safe. I wish them the best of luck. It's going to be rough, it's going to be tough, it's going to be challenging, it's going to be demanding, but if they commit to it and if they are disciplined enough and have the desire to succeed, they will. If they put their minds to it, it's nothing that they're going to not be able to accomplish.